Welcome back, everyone. This is your teacher again, and I'm here with my wonderful student, Aisha. How are you feeling today, Aisha?
Good morning, sir. I'm feeling great and ready to learn.
That's wonderful. You sound more confident today.
Yes, sir. I practiced speaking slowly, just like you said in the last episode.
Excellent. And did you notice any difference?
Yes. When I spoke slowly, people understood me better. I didn't panic.
That's exactly what happens when you slow down. You sound clear and confident. Well done. Today we will talk about daily English practice and how to use simple sentences and expressions in everyday life.
That's good, sir. I want to speak English at home, too.
Perfect. That's where learning truly begins, in your real life. Let's start with morning expressions, the ones we use when we wake up and greet people. Imagine it's morning. You wake up and see your family. What do you say?
I say, "Good morning, Mama. How are you?"
Very good. That's natural. Now, here's a pronunciation tip for everyone listening. When we say good morning, we do not pronounce the final D strongly. It sounds soft, like good morning. Try that, Aisha.
Good morning, Mama.
Perfect. That's how native speakers say it.
Sir, sometimes I say, "Good morning. How are you doing?" Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfectly fine. You can also say, how's it going? Or how are things? These are friendly ways to greet people.
Sir, what's the difference between "how are you" and "how's it going"?
Good question. How are you is more polite and general. How's it going is more casual, used with friends. Both are correct. It just depends on the situation.
Okay, sir. I will use "how's it going" with my friends.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about how to describe how you feel in the morning. You can say, I slept well, I didn't sleep well, or I'm still sleepy. Notice that we say sleepy, not sleep. Sleepy is an adjective. Sleep is a verb.
Oh, so "I'm sleepy" means I want to sleep.
Exactly. And you can also use adjectives for other feelings. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty.
Sir, sometimes I say "I feel hungry." Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct too. I feel hungry and I'm hungry mean the same thing. I feel hungry just sounds a little more formal.
Okay, sir. I understand.
Now, let's move to breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast, Aisha?
I usually eat bread and eggs, and I drink tea.
Nice and simple, but here's a small grammar tip. When we talk about meals, we usually say have, not eat. So you can say, I usually have bread and eggs for breakfast.
Oh, I should say "have breakfast," not "eat breakfast."
Yes, exactly. We say, I have breakfast, I have lunch, I have dinner. And here's a pronunciation tip. Breakfast is not pronounced breakfast, it's breakfast. Try saying it that way.
Breakfast.
Perfect. That's natural pronunciation.
Sir, I also want to learn how to talk about time. For example, how do I say when I wake up?
Good question. You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock, or I get up at 7:15. Do you know the difference between wake up and get up?
Not really.
Wake up means to open your eyes, to stop sleeping. Get up means to leave the bed. So first you wake up, then you get up.
Oh, that's easy. First, I wake up, then I get up.
Exactly. Well done. Now, let's learn some common daily expressions. First, I'm on my way. That means I'm coming or I'm going somewhere. Second, take your time. It means don't hurry. Third, I'm just kidding. That means I'm joking. Fourth, no worries. That means it's okay. Don't stress. Fifth, guess what? It means I have something interesting or surprising to tell you.
Sir, I hear "no worries" a lot in movies. Is it like "it's okay"?
Yes, exactly. It's a casual way to say, it's okay.
And take your time. Can I use it when my friend is late?
Yes, it means don't rush or relax. That's a polite way to show patience.
Okay, sir. I will remember these expressions.
Good. Now, let's talk about grammar. You said, I usually eat bread and eggs. That is the simple present tense. We use it for habits and daily routines. For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to work. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb. For example, he works. She studies. It rains.
Sir, I often forget to add S.
That's normal. Try repeating short sentences to practice. Repeat after me. He works. She studies. It rains.
He works. She studies. It rains.
Very good. Now, a pronunciation tip. English sounds more natural when we connect words. For example, instead of saying, I want to eat, native speakers often say, I wanna eat.
Oh, I always hear wanna in movies.
Exactly. It's informal but very common in spoken English. The same with going to, which becomes gonna, like I'm gonna study. But remember, we don't write it that way. In writing, use the full forms like want to, going to.
Okay, sir. I'll speak like that, but not write it.
Perfect. Now, one last tip for fluency. Practice a little English every day. Even 10 minutes of listening or speaking is better than 2 hours once a week. The secret is consistency.
Yes, sir. I try to speak with myself in English.
That's a great idea. You can describe what you're doing, like I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, or I'm getting ready. It helps your brain think in English.
That's true. When I do that, words come faster.
Exactly. When you think in English, you don't translate from your native language. That's when you start becoming fluent.
Sir, I feel more confident now.
And you sound more confident too, Aisha. All right, everyone, let's quickly review today's key points. First, use simple expressions in daily life. Second, practice pronunciation and link words naturally. Third, speak slowly and clearly. Fourth, repeat short sentences every day. And fifth, think in English as much as you can.
Thank you, sir. I learned many new things today.
You did an amazing job, Aisha. And remember, learning English is not a race. It's a journey. Take your time, enjoy every word, and celebrate small improvements.
Yes, sir. Step by step, we will reach fluency.
Exactly. That's the spirit. Thank you for listening, everyone. In the next segment, we'll talk about real-life conversations, like at the shop, cafe, or workplace. Keep learning English slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep smiling.